Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is brought to you by Janet Collection. So thank you so much, Janet, for sending over this new unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. You guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on this channel. So make sure you are subscribed and notified. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unit that we have today. This one is a part of the extended part lace collection, extremely deep part lace wig, 100% premium fiber, and this one is in VIVIA dark ash blonde. This also comes in a lot of different blonde shades. So this one has sparkling amber, which is a blonde, a strawberry blonde, a silver blonde, the dark ash blonde, which is this one, butterscotch, and dark green, and then obviously your regular 1s, 2s, and 1Bs. So this is what the stock card is looking like on her. So let's see what the cap construction looks like. Definitely have your middle part here. Your lace is definitely a dark brown, so no lace tint needed on this one. You've got 2 combs at the top. You've got 1 comb in the back. You've got your adjustable straps, and this is a stretch stocking cap construction. Let's see, do we have baby hairs? Yep, we've got a few baby hairs here. Looks like this wig has a lot of nice layers in it, and it is a pretty nice length. So I'm liking how these layers are looking and how the color blend is looking. It's very pretty. This color is dark ash blonde. I'd say it's very, very close, getting close to a grayish shade. But as you can see, this shade is very gray, so it's not quite there yet. So I would definitely say dark ash. It's a very cool blonde. By cool, I mean it has like a very bluish side of blonde as opposed to a warm blonde, which would be more yellowy and more orange. It's a cooler blonde, which is more on the blue side. So I really like this one. I particularly like the root color. It's not black. It has a really nice shade of like a brownish, greenish sort of shade of brown, and I really, really like it. So this one is looking pretty good to me at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. I'm also going to add some powder into the middle part. I have my own edges out today, so I will be wearing this unit behind the hairline, just like I am with this one. So if you guys like this unit, this one is also by Janet Collection, and I have literally fallen in love with it. I have a review on my channel that I will go ahead and link somewhere, either up here in the cards, or I'll link it somewhere, or you can just check on my channel. It'll probably be the video right before this one. And I think I want to put on a little bit of gloss. My lips are feeling a little dry. This is Fenty's Gloss Bomb. I don't know what color it is. Fenty Glow. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and put on this unit. Alright you guys, so this is Miss Vivia, and this one is really, really pretty. It's super cute. I feel like it could be a little bit fuller, maybe just a tad bit fuller for my liking. But the curls are really cute. and I definitely like it. There's something a little interesting going on with this piece of hair right here, like this color. Something is going on with it that I'm not super crazy about. It's something about the way it's blending in. I feel like maybe it's a little too dark, or I don't know. There's something with this like one track right here in the color that I'm not crazy about. But I definitely think this unit is cute. Let me turn around so you guys can see the unit from the back. So it's a really nice length. It's about 22 inches or so, maybe a little bit longer. It has some really cute layers to it. I definitely like this unit. Is it something we've never seen before? Probably. We've probably seen this unit before, something similar to it. I think the color is cute. It's not necessarily my favorite, but it's definitely cute. I think I would like this unit in like a 1B. I would definitely like this unit in a 1B. So yeah, this is Miss Vivia in Dark Ash Blonde. And let's see, what else did I not say? It's definitely going to be medium cap. I think it would definitely be big head friendly, especially if you're wearing it behind the hairline like me. Let me know what you guys think of Miss Vivia. Is this one Dragoness approved? I mean, yeah, if you're looking for this style, yes. Is it my favorite? Probably not. But you know, Janet has a lot of banging wigs out right now. The one that I was wearing right before this, baby, I think that one like stole my heart. That's why I can't like get it out of my mind. So yeah, anywho, you guys, thank you so much, Janet, for sending this unit over. If you guys have questions, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you like this review and this video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you turn on your post notifications. Make sure you're sharing this video. Share this video with a friend. Share it with somebody who loves wigs as much as we do. Share with your mama, okay? Share with your mama. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace.